Hello everyone, my name is Deval. I'm the product manager here at QNAP and welcome to QNAP's booth at CES 2022. Today I would like to introduce our all-in-one video conferencing solution and wireless projection called KoiBox-100W. KoiBox is a great little solution that that is perfect fit for your meeting room. You can join video conferencing solutions. You can join an online meeting via another KoiBox, or you can call another KoiBox with Koi code. So you can have a four-way communication with another KoiBox. You can also join calls with your phone as well, and it uses a P2P connection, so it doesn't go through any cloud servers, and it also does not require any complex networking setup as well. As long as your KoiBox is on the network, you can make and receive calls with Koi code. And it can also join calls from SIP systems as well. So you can join or receive calls, or two-way communication calls via systems like Avaya. So you can receive and make calls via an IP address, and also join calls from an Avaya system as well. It also supports cloud meetings as well, from meetings like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Skype systems as well, or Webex. All you need is an invitation code, and you can join calls with just the KoiBox system as well. So it's a perfect fit for your meeting room. It has a hard drive inside, so it can record your meetings onto the hard drive inside, so you can go back in time and play back any meetings recordings that you had done before. So in case if you missed something, you can always go back and see what happened during the meeting and take notes again. And if anyone shares something within the meeting, it can save that file within the KoiBox as well. It has USB port on the back, so you can connect a Logitech camera on the back of the KoiBox, so everyone can see, or you can join a call via the webcam as well. It has Bluetooth 5.2, so you can connect your speaker or Bluetooth speaker and microphone via the Bluetooth connection, or you can also plug in via USB port as well. It's up to you how you want to connect. It supports Wi-Fi 6. You don't have to connect this onto a physical network. You can also join this KoiBox via a Wi-Fi system, or you can plug in via the physical port on the back of the KoiBox as well. So this is our new all-in-one video conferencing solution called KoiBox-100W. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for further videos as well. Thank you.